All right, so exploit database contains the latest Google hacking entries. Now I've opened this site up here. It's www.exploit-db.com. And the exploit database, or EDB, it's really the ultimate archive of exploits and vulnerable software. A great resource for penetration testers, vulnerability researchers, and security addicts alike. Now, our aim here is to collect exploits from submittals and mailing lists and concentrate them in one easy-to-navigate database. Now, have a look at this URL. It has remote exploits, local exploits, web applications, DOS, POC, shellcode, and papers. Now, here I click on one of the links to view the code and other details.
Hackers for Charity is a group of technologists. They have sourced information from various sources and maintain a GHDB. They have collated the advisories, error messages, files having user IDs, files having passwords, sensitive files, sensitive directories, sensitive shopping carts, etc. You can get a lot of information from their database about vulnerabilities prevalent in websites.